To quickly identify why a toilet is clogged, start by considering excess toilet paper, foreign objects, and occasional buildup from regular waste. Examine the water level first and note whether it is high or very low, because that tells you if the blockage is in the bowl or farther down the trap and the drain line. Use a flange plunger with firm, even pushes rather than quick jabs, and make sure the rubber seal covers the drain opening to create pressure. 50 effective compressions often work better than a few violent thrusts. If plunging fails, try a toilet auger designed for the trap. Insert gently, rotate clockwise to break or hook the obstruction, and pull slowly while keeping pressure on the cable so the hook does not snag porcelain. For suspected excess toilet paper, let hot water from the tap cool slightly and pour slowly into the bowl from waist height to soften and move material, but avoid boiling water, which can crack porcelain. When you suspect a foreign object like a toothbrush or a piece of fruit, avoid chemical drain cleaners, because they do not remove solids and can damage plumbing. Instead, use the auger or remove the toilet to retrieve the object safely. Keep a pair of long, water-resistant gloves and a small bucket nearby to catch water if you need to remove the toilet or reach into the trap, and always shut off the supply valve before major interventions. The three most common mistakes are using chemical drain cleaners that do not clear solid objects and can corrode pipes, relying on short, frantic plunges that fail to build pressure, and assuming every clog is only toilet paper when small toys or fruit pieces are often the culprit. For chemicals, stop using them and switch to mechanical methods or call a plumber if you cannot clear the obstruction with proper tools. For poor plunging, use the right plunger, establish a tight seal, and push slowly and steadily to create water pressure rather than air. For misidentifying the cause, inspect the bowl and ask household members if anything was dropped, then use an auger or remove the fixture if necessary. On bighomeprojects.com, we connect homeowners with local contractors and make it easy to post projects so contractors can find work. We also host an active discussion community where homeowners and tradespeople share tips, ask questions, and troubleshoot clogs together.